I'm Kimberly Anderson, the Science Instructional Specialist for Rock Hill Schools. I'm standing in the Science Refurbishment Center today off of Flint Street in the old Castle Heights building. I am here with Jeannie Hill, who is the Science Refurbishment Center Specialist, and she's going to give you a bit of a tour and explain what she does over here.
Hi, my job is to be sure you have all the science materials you need and you have them when you need them. I taught school for almost 30 years and have taught most of these kits, or at least part of these kits, and I know all the materials and how to get them for you. You can get anything that belongs to a kit. As you can see, we have many different kinds of cups here. We have plastic cups with holes, we have plastic cups with lids, we have lids that are solid, we have lids that are slotted, we have lids that have holes, we have all kinds of plastic containers. These have holes in the lids, these have holes in the bottom. You need to be very specific. If you're not sure what size cup it is that you have, if you'll be sure and tell me the name of the kit, I can look it up and figure out which ones you need. But if you just say, send me some cups, I'm going to be totally lost as to what you need. All right. We also have lots of different kinds of gravel and sand, different kinds of wire, different kinds of clay, different kinds and sizes of baggies. Please be specific and let me know what you need. Now, I need these things. I need your name. I need the name of your school. I need to know which kit you're referring to. I need to know what item it is you need. And I need to know how many it is you want. If you decide to use the order forms from FOSS and STC, there are several things that you need to look at carefully. This is a FOSS order form, which can be very confusing. This first row of numbers tells how many items were in the original kit. You need to just ignore that. This is what we need to focus on. The quantity in a package and how many packages you want. All right? All right, it says cups plastic. These are 9-ounce cups. There's 25 in a replenishment bag. If you just need 25 cups, you're going to put 1. If you put 25 here, that means you need 25 packages of 25 cups. Sand. The original kit had 9, but if you order just 1, if you put a 1 here, you're only going to get 1 bag of sand because that's what's in the replenishment package. If you need 9, you need to put the number 9. When you're filling these in, please do not give me the number of items you still have in your kit. All I need is how many you need. I need to know how many you're missing, not how many you have. The only thing on these sheets should be the number of items you need. All right, this is an STC kit, which is much simpler. This tells you there were 16 in the kit to start with of these lids for these plastic pails. Just put a number here. There's no packages, just 1, 16, whatever. Just put a number.
Effective science teaching takes just as much time as the preparation for ELA or math, and science instruction is just as important. Science integrates very well with the non-fictional text and the writing components of your ELA standards. Science involves measuring, calculating, data compilation, and predicting, which are math standards. Over the summer, some of our teachers work to produce integrated units. These units, which can be found on the district website, are themed based on the information to be taught in the 4 content areas at the same time. These units give a theme to the lessons and make science and social studies a part of the day and not just the subjects taught at the end of the day. So please try to teach your science and social studies in conjunction with your math and ELA.
When I taught 3rd grade, I came across a quote that I kept posted in my room all the time. It said, "A lifetime of learning begins with a single moment of awe, and science is the perfect method to reach that goal." Teaching science needs to be hands-on for children to be truly involved in what's going on. For them to watch you do an experiment or an activity or a demonstration is not going to be as effective as them having their own hands on it. It's kind of like learning to drive a car. I can read books about driving a car, I can watch you drive a car, but until I do it, I'm not going to truly understand what I'm seeing.
It's important for everyone to know that the materials for your science kits and your science kits, they're provided by the state of South Carolina. It's provided at no cost to you, the teacher. It's provided at no cost to the school district, and it's provided at no cost to your school. So please place orders. Whenever you need something for your science kits, you've got an activity you need to do with your students, there's an activity in your teacher guide that you need to do, and you notice that you're short on cups, or you're short on rubber bands, or you need some more sand or gravel, please send an email to Jeannie Hill, and her email address is jhill@rhmail.org. As you can see, here at the Flex, we've got lots of science materials. We've got everything you need for your science kits. Please contact Jeannie for whatever your science needs.
And remember, the scientist is not the one who gives the right answers.
The scientist is the one who asks the right questions. Thank you.